Hello and good day everyone. My name is Ong Kang Nen and I will explain the introduction of our case study. So firstly, our topic is forecasting Toshiba annual net revenue worldwide. Forecasting play a pivotal role in strategy decision making and it's enabling organizations to anticipate future trends and allocate resources efficiently. So we aim to develop a robust forecasting model by analyzing historical revenue data and identifying key influencing factors. And this case study also contributes to the field of industrial engineering by showcasing the application of forecasting model in real-world business context. Next, the company background. Toshiba is established in 1875 by Hisashige Tanaga and Ichisuke Fujiyoka. It is a Japanese multinational company and headquartered in Tokyo, Japan. It also a global leader in electronic, electrical equipment, and information technology. Over the decade, Toshiba expanded its operation across various sectors, including electronic, energy infrastructure, and digital solutions. However, it also faced significant challenges, including an accounting scandal and the bankruptcy of its U.S. nuclear subsidiary, Westinghouse Electric Company in 2017. The first problem statement is supply chain disruption. Toshiba has experienced challenges in the availability of new machine, accessory and parts and primarily sources from its manufacturing plant in Asia. The second one is the corporate governance issue. The last one is in 2023, Toshiba was acquired by a consortium led by Japan Industrial Partner, resulting in its delisting from the Tokyo Stock Exchange after 74 years. The first objective is to develop a statistical learning model to accurately forecast the Toshiba virtual annual net revenue. The second one is to analyze historical revenue trend from year 2013 to 2022 to identify key factors influencing fluctuation. The third one is evaluate the reliability of forecasting technique for predicting financial performance in multinational corporations. The last one is to demonstrate the application of industrial engineering principle in data-driven business solution. The scope study. This study is limited to analyzing Toshiba consolidated annual net revenue on a global scale. The second one is the external factors such as market trend, global economic condition, and industry disruption are considered only to enhance the contextual understanding of the forecast. The last one is this study is emphasize quantitative analysis, incorporating methods such as moving average, exponential smoothing, and regression analysis to ensure accuracy and reliability in prediction.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Ahmad Hakim bin Ramli. My metric number is DD220069. I want to present about the literature review for this project. First is the predicting output. Company like Toshiba need to adjust production based on changing demand. Balancing capacity. Proper planning helps avoid too much or too little production, keeping everything in SYNC. Third is the effect of external event. Event like the pandemic can cause sudden demand change, affecting production planning. Next is the economic impacts. Effective production planning is crucial for industry with rising demand or declining capacity. Last one is the overcoming challenge. Toshiba work to overcome issue like overproduction and disruption in its production process. Thank you. Okay, for the next is the factor influencing annual production capacity. First one is the internal factor. Toshiba manufacturing capacity is influenced by machinery, workforce skills, supply chains management, and the plant infrastructure. Next is the market demand and economy. External factor like fluctuating market demands, economic condition, and competition directly impacts production level. Third is the technological advancement. Innovation in production method and products development can enhance efficiency and increase capacity. Last one is the strategy decision. Choice such as outsourcing, partnership, and R&D investment can either expand or limit Toshiba manufacturing capacity. Okay, for the next slide, I want to present about the quality control or QC of Toshiba products. Firstly, is the quality control measure. Toshiba ensure products reliability through stress testing, including functional, safety, and environmental checks. Second is the continuous improvement. Toshiba use Kaizen and solicit employee feedback to consistently improve its process and product quality. Next is the efficient production technique. Lean manufacturing Six Sigma and automation are used to reduce waste, defects, and human error, ensuring consistent quality. The last one is employee training and certification. Toshiba priorities employee training on quality standard and address to international certification like ISO 9001 to maintain high standard.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Hafizuddin bin Badrillah and my metric number is CD210165. Today I will talk about methodology, result and analysis and discussion. So for the first one is methodology. Forecasting in industrial engineering is the process of predicting future trends, demands or events using historical data, statistical models and analytical technique to support decision making and optimize operation. It is widely applied in areas like demand forecasting, production planning, inventory management, maintenance scheduling, workforce planning, and energy forecasting. By anticipating future needs, industrial engineer can improve efficiency, minimize costs, and ensure smooth operation. So there are six methods in forecasting. For the first one is knife approach. The second one is simple moving average. The third one is weak moving average. The fourth one is exponential smoothing. The fifth one is trend projection, and the last one is linear regression. Method that we choose among six methods is simple moving average. Only one equation that we need to calculate the forecasting for simple moving average. It is MA equals to demand in previous N period divided by N. The next one is result and analysis. There is three tables in result analysis and one line graph. So for the first table, represent as actual data that we gain from Toshiba website. The next table is forecast data that we calculate using MA equation. And the last table is comparison of actual data and forecast data. So for the line graph is comparison of actual data and forecast data. So as you can see here, the trend of both data is decreasing. And I want to highlight that on 2023, the value of net sale or revenue is quite similar as 2022. The next slide is discussion and suggestion of improvement. So we stated 5 suggestions to improve the net sale or revenue of Toshiba Corporation. So the first one is strengthen core business area. Second one is optimize supply chain operation. The third one is enhance production efficiency through lean manufacturing. The fourth one is expand global market presence. And the last one is explore new growth segments.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Faiz Ikhwan bin Yaakob. My metric number AD210106. Okay, we go through about conclusion. Toshiba Corporation's decline in the revenue highlights the critical need for accurate forecasting and strategic planning. Over the past decade, challenges such as supply chain disruptions, corporate governance issues, and the sale of its memory chip business, culminating in its delisting from the Tokyo Stock Exchange, have significantly impacted the financial performance and market position. This research, based on historical revenue analysis and advanced forecasting, identifies the root cause of Toshiba financial decline and outlines strategies for recovery. Key recommendations include divers, diversifying into renewable energy, enhancing semiconductor production, and expanding into high-growth regions like Southeast Asia and Africa. Exploring emerging industries such as healthcare, technology, and electric vehicle can leverage Toshiba innovation expertise, while operational improvement like supply chain optimization, lean manufacturing, and sustainable practice can boost profitability and efficiency. By integrating accurate forecasting with targeted strategies, Toshiba can adapt to market changes, mitigate risks, and seize new opportunities. This approach can restore revenue growth and reinforce its global leadership in electronics, energy system, and infrastructure solutions. Continuous innovation and strategic alignment will be essential for achieving sustainable success in dynamic global market.